what happens if after the car won't start, problem with the key, or you add the second key. With me here, with the I add the second key in. The first key will work fine, but the second key, there's no work. If you see something happen, same like you have, just look it out. The on the other video you don't have, you can find it. Look my video, you can see it right here, the short video, and you can follow the link below. I post the complete video at the long video, the same title, and there just look for Tony A to Z. And the long video there, we got more detail on this video, because within the short video I can show you what problem and how to fix the problem. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.